Let's continue. Second question. Second question is, this is also arranged in June 2021, that is also held on 28th August 2021. Okay. Two trains running in opposite direction. So two trains running in opposite direction. It is given that the two trains are running in opposite direction. Opposite direction means one train is this direction and another train is this direction. Okay, this is the T1 train 1, this is the train 2. Okay, opposite direction. In what is the criteria for opposite direction? Opposite direction means speed is relative speed. Speed is opposite means add. Okay, opposite means speed is here adding. So what is given? Two train running in opposite direction cross sham. Okay, two train running in opposite direction cross sham. Here is one man, sham. Okay, so these are the, suppose this is the train starting from here, and this is the train 2. This is the train 2, T2 is starting from here. Okay, this train is moving this side and this train is moving like this, and the man is here. The man is standing here. Okay, the man is standing here. So two train running in opposite direction cross sham, standing on the platform. He is standing on the platform. Okay, platform in 27 seconds. So the first train is in 27 seconds and the second train is crossing 17 seconds. Okay, respectively. So the time is given, T1 is here and the T2 is here. Okay, and they second. So just we can in opposite direction na? So the in this case, let train 1 case speed is equal, we can take x. Okay, and the distance is we can consider as d. Same in the second train T2 case, speed is equal, we can take y, and distance is here same as it is distance. Okay, so first train case, first train is given is the time. So time is equal to first case T1 train 1 case, T1 is equals to, T1 means time. This is time means what? Time means formula what? Speed is equal distance upon time. So time is equal distance upon speed. So here time is distance is how much? Distance is d. Okay, and the speed is x. Okay, and the time is how much? First train 27 seconds. So from this d1 or d is equals to, distance is equals to 27x. Okay, and in similarly in T2 means train 2, T2 means T2 is here d1 distance upon speed. What is distance here? Distance is as it is d, and the speed is and the speed is y is equals to here is y. 1 minute. Here is y is equals to how much time given? 17 seconds. So it is becomes d is equal to, go for next page. So first case train 1 case, first train 1 case there is d is equals to 27x. In T2 case, there is a distance is equal to, this is the d1, can we consider this is the distance 2. In second case 17y. Okay, go for question. Next, two trains running in opposite direction cross Sham standing on the platform in the 27 seconds, 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. So okay, in case of man, this is in case of man. What is speed? Speed is equal to, on opposite direction means add x plus y. This is the speed. So from these, so total, so here is the total. So the time is equal to t1 plus t2. T1, 1 minute. Here is what we have to find out, the train 1. This is the T1, this is the T2. Where is T2? Oh, T2 we have written like in the second page, no? Okay, alright. So total time taken is equals to, total distance upon total speed or relative speed. So what will come? Total time is t, and here is total distance. Total distance means 27x plus 17y is equals to divided by total speed. Relative speed means x plus y, and the given is 23 seconds. Time is given to us 23 seconds. See here, time is given to us here 23 seconds each other. Okay, so simplify this one. I'm inserting one page. See, what is our equation? 23 is equals to 27x plus 17y upon x plus y. So by cross multiplying, 23x plus 23y is equals to 27x plus 17y. Okay, so 27 is here, we can transpose this one. 23x is here like terms, so it is 27 minus 23 is 4x, and here is 23. By transposing this LHS, 23 minus 17 means 6y. Okay, so now 2 2s are 2 3s are. So the ratio of x upon y, so x upon y means by cross multiply, x is here, y is there. Okay, just one for you can. So see here, x is here na, so x is here, and 2 is come here, 3 by 2. X by y is equal to 3 by 2. So the ratio of two train is equal to 3 by 2. X is to y is equals to 3 is to 2. This is the required answer that is asking in the question. The ratio of their speed is, okay, are you got understood? Okay, good, well, next, go for next question. So see here, this is also in RIMC June 2021. Okay, a 125 meter long train at a uniform speed passes a stationary man in 3.75 seconds. Okay, a 125 meter long train means length of a train means distance is given to us 125 meter. Okay, 125 meter and given in 3.75 seconds. So time is given to us 3.75 seconds. 3.75 seconds. What to find? Find the speed of the train. Oh, it is very in kilometer per hour. In kilometer per hour. Given is meter and second, and asking kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. So go for next page. 1 minute. See, speed is given to us. Speed is equal to distance upon time, na? So distance is how much? Distance is how much? Distance is 6th. Distance is how much given to us? So distance is given 125 meter. 125 meter. 125 meter and time is 3.75 seconds. This is correct, na? Yes, 3.75. Okay, this is the speed. 125 upon, if we convert is by removing the decimal points, 0.275 divided by 100. Okay, so it is becomes 125 into 100 upon 375. Okay, and this is in meter per second. This is in meter per second. So we convert it kilometer per hour. So what should be multiplied with this one? We can multiply 18 by 5. So it can be now converted as kilometer per hour. Okay, kilometer per hour. See, 5 ones are 5 20s are, okay, and 5 4s are 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 75 are, okay, and again 3 table, again 5 table, 5 15s are 5 15s are 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and here 2 5 5s are, again 5 3s are 5 5s are, okay, again 3 1s are 3 6s are, right, completed. So 5 into 4 20, 20 into 6 120, so 120 kilometer, 120 kilometer per hour. This is the required answer. Okay, move on. Next question. Next question is our this is also asked in RIMC June 2021. Okay, so the question is, a train passes 330 meter long platform. Okay, a train passes 330 meter long platform in 40 seconds. Okay, and a man standing on the platform in 18 seconds. See, one is a, suppose this is a train. A train passes 330 meter long. This is the train. This is pass a platform. This is a platform. Okay, this is a train. A train is passes a platform in 40 seconds. In how many seconds? In 40 seconds. And a man standing on the platform. Platforms 40 seconds. And a man standing on the platform in 18 seconds. Suppose this is a platform crossing, and a man, time taking to crossing a man How many seconds? 18 seconds. 18 seconds. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour and the length of the train in meter. Okay, very good question. Okay, so what are the given is we can write page action, insert page, 1 minute. Okay, so what are the givens is first we can write. First 125 meter long train traveling uniform. This is not question. Okay, a train passes 330 meter long platform. So length of the platform is given to us. First one is a length of a platform. Length of platform is given to us. How much? 330 meter. 330 meters. And next what is given? In 40 seconds. How much time? Time taken to time is given. Suppose I am in denoting T1. Time in 40 seconds. Time in 40 seconds. Okay. Time taking 40 seconds. Next, a train passes 330 meter long platform in 40 seconds and a man standing on the platform 18 seconds. Man, this is a platform case, and the case 2 is man crosses at a time. How much time? Time taken for 18 seconds. Time is 18 seconds. So what is asked? To find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour, length of the train in meter. So we have to find speed in find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. Speed in kilometer per hour and length of a train in meter. Okay, these two is we can find. So see here, length of platform is given. In this case, let length of a train is equal to, suppose x. Okay, length of a train we can consider as x, and here see here, here is also length of the train x. So speed is here, speed is equal to speed in this case, platform case, first case platform. When cross a platform, so the total distance became length of the train plus length of platform. Okay, so length of the train is equal to we consider as x plus length of platform means how much? 330. Okay, this is the distance, and the time is given to platform crossing is how much? 40 seconds. This is meter, and this is also we can write as meter. Okay, so time taken to cross a platform is 40 seconds. From these we can find the speed now. Okay, speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is how much? X plus 330 upon time. Time means 40 seconds. Okay, this is the first case of platform, so we can just, so speed is equal to this one. In the second case, In the second case, crossing a man. The train is crossing a man case. In this case, the total distance is nothing but the train length. The train length. Okay. So the train length is how much? Train length is, we have already taken x, and the time taken, time is, in case of man, time is how much given to us? Time is given to us, man case, 18 seconds. 18 seconds. Okay. So see here, from here, speed is equal to what happened? The value of speed is equal, speed is nothing but total distance upon time. So distance is x and the time is 18 seconds. Okay, this is the case of man. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. So from this, by dividing 1 by 2, by dividing 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, so what is the value? Are equal, or you can say, since the both are the same na, it is also s and it is also s speed, so we can equal both the equation equally. On equaling both the equations 1 and 2. Okay, so the second equation is x by 18 and the first equation is x plus 330, x plus 330 upon 40. Okay, first 2 9s are and 2 20s. Okay, next, okay, by cross multiply this and this. 20 into x, 20x is equal to 9 into x, 9x, and 9 into 330. 9 zeros are 0, 9 3 is 27, 2 carry, and 9 3 is 27, 27 plus 2 29. Okay, so 20 minus 9x means 11x is equals to 2970. So the x is equals to 2970 upon 11. Okay, so this is 11 ones are 11 twos are 22. Okay, and 11 sevens are, so 270. X is equal to 270. This is the length of train. In meter now, asking is meter, so the length of the train first is we got, so the length of a train is equals to 270 meter. So put this value, so the speed is equal to x by 18 now, x by 18. This is x is in the meter and this is in the second, so meter per second. So by multiplying, when we convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply with the 18 by 5. Okay, so x value is here 270. Now we got 270 upon 18 into 18 by 5 into 18 by 5 into 18 by 5. So this 18 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are 5 4s are. So the answer is 54 kilometer per hour. This is the required answer. This is the speed. So speed is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay, so we have completed we have completed June 2021 all RIMC questions asked, okay, which is held on 28th August 2021. So we can continue this chapter, so we can solve the December 2020 and September 2020 RIMC exam distance and distance speed time related questions in the next video. Thank you very much. Please like and share and subscribe my channel so that I can so many interested chapters should be uploaded in the upcoming session. Okay, thank you very much.